All right, so today we're taking a look at this cool air duster that I got here. Now, I'm gonna show a couple of sample clips here on the screen. You can see I was playing around with it outside, but I think most people are gonna be utilizing this for indoors on the inside, probably for things like your keyboard, little dusting around the house. And I notice a lot of people are buying this actually for cleaning out PCs. So if you work on PCs, older appliances or anything like that, this actually has a special feature on it that is really gonna help you out with that. Now, before we get into that, let's just take a look at it as an overall duster right here. You can see that you've got your power right here, where this is gonna turn it off and on. You're just gonna hold this down, this will turn it off and on. And then you can hold it again, and that's gonna turn it off. Now you've got your power mode right here, so this is gonna be an actual slider. So you can slide it all the way from down here, which will be completely off. So if I turn this on, right now it's on. But if you wanna turn it to actually turn on, you can push this over and that's gonna turn it up. So if you don't necessarily need it at that full power every single time, you can kind of just slide it. I like using it at the full power every time. It's just more fun that way. Then down here at the bottom, you're actually gonna have a magnifying glass. This is gonna help, again, for anyone that's working on PCs or anything where you need to see close to see if you've gotten all the dust out. You could also turn the light on here as well. So you can see that the LED light will pop on. And again, this is really gonna help if you're looking at specific areas and you're trying to, dissect it and see if there's anything deep down in there that you need to get out. You could actually utilize this. So that's why I say that this is probably gonna be one of the best options if you're somebody that's gonna be working on PCs or small appliances where you need to see really close. Now there's gonna be multiple types of attachments that we could use here. The one that we just had on here was kind of like the default attachment. Now this one is right in the middle. You're gonna see that this is a larger open space. This is gonna be for general use if you're kind of just blowing random things down. Now, one of the cool ones here is gonna be this longer snoot, and this is gonna allow you to really direct all that air into one specific spot, giving it even more power than one like this. You can see the opening of the hole on this is way smaller than this one. So it's gonna be a lot more powerful coming out of here. They also have another one right here. Now this is gonna be for blowing up inflatables. So if you've got any type of inflatable, like a pool inflatable or maybe a kid's toy, you can actually utilize this as an inflatable air pump as well. And then it's also gonna have this brush attachment. So this is gonna be great, again, for anyone that's working on a PC. If you're working on cleaning things, this is gonna roughen up the area just a little bit. So if you got any stuck dirt, dust, or anything like that, you can go ahead and scrape it. And these bristles are actually pretty strong. They're not gonna be, scratching anything up, but they're not soft bristles, that's for sure. And that works really good if you're really getting into like one of those crevices areas and you really need to brush it out. Another thing I wanna notice here is how long these are. And that's really also gonna help you to brush those areas out too. And then you've got your duster that will go ahead and blow the air through here. So it's really beneficial, especially when you're working on those small areas. You can kind of brush it like this, turn it on, and it's gonna start blowing everything out. Now it's also gonna come with some other tools here as well. So you can see we've got our regular traditional brush like this. We've got an angled brush, which is just gonna be easier to get into smaller spots you can't reach. You've got a small, tiny flat brush right here. And then you have this little duster. So this is almost kind of like a makeup brush or something. It's really lightweight and easy to push around. And this is probably gonna be more for kind of when you're at the end of things, or if you're just brushing off like little light pieces of dirt. Honestly, most of the time, I end up just using this piece right here because it's the most convenient. I don't have to get any of the other tools out. I can kind of just scrape what I need and then start to get to blowing with this. And it just makes it a lot more convenient by just using these pieces. It is also gonna come with a case as well, and the case on this is pretty nice. It's almost like a carbon fiber looking material. It's a medium to soft shell, so this is great if you're gonna be bringing this with you. If you're using this as a tool all the time, you can go ahead and throw this in your bag and bring it with you. It's not gonna get messed up. Also, if you wanna just store it, you could even just throw it into your cabinet or your drawers, and you'll know that all your pieces are right here in one spot. This is also gonna be USB-C rechargeable, so it'll be USB Type-C that goes into the device, and that's gonna be down here, and that's gonna be over here on the back of it. And then the other end is just gonna be your traditional USB. You can use any USB Type-C cable though. This will charge with any USB cable. And then also it's gonna come with this wrist strap as well. So you can go ahead and put that down here at the bottom. And then, it makes it easier if you're someone who is constantly using this and you just wanna kind of leave it on your wrist, then you could use it that way too. And I already put some clips in the beginning, but I wanna show you how powerful this thing is. Check this out. I got 2 video game controllers in this box, and this thing is actually pretty strong. If I put it all the way up to the mat, you can see it's gonna move this pretty much clear across the table. So I would guess that this is probably about 2 pounds-ish. So yeah, this thing is pretty strong. This can also be used outdoors as well. So if you're gonna be doing anything like blowing leaves, or if you wanna just like brush off your patio, or maybe just dust off the floor a little bit, some basic stuff, I think this is perfect for around the house. But again, if I would guess, you're probably looking for this for your computer, clean out your keyboard and other small electronic devices. Either way, I think this is an amazing option. I like the fact they added this magnifying glass with the light. If you're looking for a good blower, I would highly recommend picking this one up.